Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this puzzle, Byte needs to collect the gem and toggle the switch. But can we see any similarity here? Yes, after every gem we have a switch. Same here, same here, same here. So let's create a function for it, and wherever required we can call the function. So let's write our function name. Now we will add our commands. So first we move forward, then we collect the gem. Then we will again move forward and toggle the switch. As we can see, the same thing is repeated everywhere. So let's call this function in the main code. As you can see, we got the function name here. Let's call the function. Once we call the function, let's see where our byte reaches. So now we move forward, then we turn left. Then we will call our function again. Then now let's run our code and see what happens. Now let's move forward 2 times. Then we'll turn left. Then again we'll call our function. Let's run our code and see what happens. Then we'll move forward, then we'll turn left. Then we will reuse our function. Let's check what happens. Now let's run our code and check. Well done! We have used a function in our code and we have called it many times. Thank you.